Hello friends, welcome back to our class. Last class we have learned about present perfect tense. And today we can learn about present perfect continuous tense. I have been learning English for the last 15 years. I have been learning English for the last 15 years. I started learning English from my childhood and now also I am still continuing it. I have been learning English for the last 15 years. It means I started my learning from the childhood and I am still continuing learning English. So, from this we can say that present perfect continuous tense is used to show actions which began in the past and is still continuing. Next, how long have you been learning English? I have been learning English for the last 15 years. How long? Last 15 years. For the last 15 years. My father has been working in that hospital since 2000. My father started working in that hospital in which year? In 2000. And he is still now continuing there. He is a worker there. My father started working in that hospital since 2000. We have used, in the first case, we have used how been, and in the second case, we have used has been. From this, we can say that with I we use have been plus verb plus ing or present participle. Here we use has been plus verb plus ing or present participle. So, from this we can say that the general form of present perfect continuous tense is subject. Which is the subject here? Here it is my father. Here the subject is my father and here I. I is the subject here. I. Subject. Then which? Then has or have. Here we have used has and here we have used have according to the subject. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus I. How long have you been learning English? I have been learning English for the last 15 years. Have you understood? In the case of present perfect continuous tense, we are using since and for. Since and for. For is used to show a period of time. A particular period of time. A particular period of time. Here, for the last 15 years, it is a long period of time. So, we use for here. Since is used to show a particular point of time. Here, we use 2000. It is a particular point of time. So, in present perfect continuous tense, we are using since and for to show time. For is used to show a period of time. For 15 years, for 16 minutes, for 18 hours. Like that, for a period of time. And since is used to show a particular point, a particular point. Since 6:50 a.m. Since 1999. Have you understood? This is the difference between for and since. So we have seen the general form of present perfect continuous tense. Which is it? Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing or present participle. What is past participle? V3 form of the verb, and present participle is ing form of the verb. What is present participle? Present participle is the ing form of the verb. Present participle. It is the ing form of the verb. Right? Writing. Dance. Dancing. Jump. Jumping. Eat. Eating. These are some examples of present participle. We have seen that according to the subject we change have or has. I have been waiting. She has been playing. It has been raining. So we can say that with the subjects like I, we, you, they, we use have plus been plus verb plus ing. I have been waiting. We have been waiting, or we have been dancing, or we have been cooking. You have been sitting. You have been listening. They have been dancing. They have been jumping. They have been painting. Have you understood? For the subject like he, she, and it, we use has plus been plus verb plus ing. He has been playing. He has been writing. He has been learning. She also we use has plus been plus verb plus ing, and it also we use has plus been plus verb plus ing. So in general we can say that when the subject is I, we, you, they, we use have plus been plus verb plus ing, and when the subject is he or she or it, we use has plus verb plus ing. In the second example, my father has been working. So we have used has been. My father means he has been. In the first example, we have used have. I have been learning English. When the subject is I, we use have plus been plus verb plus ing, and when the subject is he or she or it, we use has plus been plus verb plus ing. Now, let's complete the blanks using present perfect continuous tense. Come. First sentence, it dash an hour. In the bracket it is given, the verb here used is rain. So, we have to use present perfect continuous tense. It, for it, as the subject is it, we have to use has been. Has been rain. Present participle form of rain. Raining. Raining. It has been raining an hour. Is it correct? No, we have to use since or for. An hour. It is a period of time. So, it has been raining for an hour. Have you understood? Next sentence. They dash learning dash 10 o'clock. They have been learning. Dash 10 o'clock. Since or for? Since. Why? Because it is specified. The time is specified. It talks about a particular point of time. So we have to use since. They have been learning since 10 o'clock. Next sentence. The baby dash crying dash sometime. The baby has been. For or since, some time. It means a period of time. We use for some time. The baby has been crying for some time. Next sentence. Our servant dash for half an hour. Here the form of verb is walk. We have to use present perfect continuous tense. Our servant has been. ING form of walk. Walking. Our servant has been walking for an hour. Have you understood what is present perfect continuous tense? And how to use present perfect continuous tense? The general form of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. So, let's wind up our class. Bye-bye.